Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know when your Temu order is delivered. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to go on your profile icon and here you will see your orders. Hit on it and here you will see deliver. For now, I didn't place any order over here, but if you place your order, then you will see all the products over here and you have to hit on that product. Then you will be able to track your order. So here are some of steps where you can track your orders. Just simply you have to hit on the product, then you will see track option over here and you have to hit on track. Once you will select the product and then you will be able to track your order and you can see your delivery date and all the details about your order, and you can write your review over here as well. So this is how to know when your Temu order is delivered. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.